Jai Hind, dear students. I am Preeti Rajawar. Today in this video I am going to explain about query and report chapter 4. In this chapter you will understand query and its types, and then you will learn to create, run and save a query. At the last you will create a simple report and also learn how to create a simple report and query in Access. So first let's understand what is a query. Query is a request for specific data from the database. The capability of querying a database is one of the most powerful database features. Query Query is a simple question represented in a way that Access can understand. Mm, Suppose you want to find the answer to a question, you will have to create a corresponding query first. Once your query has been created, you instruct Access to run the query, that is to perform the steps through which you can obtain your answer. The answer will then be displayed in the datasheet view. So, okay, and what's types of queries? Queries only four types: simple query, unmatched query, duplicate query, and cross-tab query. So, simple query is used to ask some particular questions about data in the database, and second is unmatched query. Unmatched query is used to find the records from one table that do not have corresponding values in the second table. And third is duplicate query. Duplicate query is used to display the records that have same values for one or more of the specified fields. Okay. And fourth is cross-tab query. Cross-tab query is a query is used to display the same data but groups the data both horizontally and vertically so that the data sheet can be more compact and easier to read. So this is a cross-tab query. And now let's understand how to create a query. Perform the per, perform the um, some steps to begin creating a query. So first click on create tab, then second click on query design view, and then select the window show table dialog box appear. So list of all the tables in your database are shown in this area. Click on a table that contains information you want to use in your query. Click on add the table to your query. So and last, a query appears in the selected query window displaying the fields for the table you selected, and then add new table. So repeat add step. You select multiple tables through in this show in table and design the query. After this, and how to save a query, creating and running a query is a way of extracting information from database without changing the data that is stored in database tables. Query does not store data, it retrieves data that is stored in tables. Sometimes to share the table with others, you may want to save the result of query as a new table. So uh, simply Control plus S from the keyboard, then save as dialog box appear. So OK button and save your query and then close. Let's understand how can we generate a report. So first is, what is a report? A report is a database object used to display data from a query or table in a appealing way. And second is, a report consists of information that is pulled from tables or queries. The tables or queries that provide the understanding data are also known as the record, source of the record. A report can have more elaborating formatting and the layouts than other objects than you print. So how to create a report? Simply follow the steps. First is create tab, then click on report from the report groups. Then you need to enter a parameter before the report can display, and the report display the fields in column with the fields name as column headers. Finally, your report looks like that. Thank you all of you.